These are my hairy dolls.
These are all your hairy dolls.
These are my hairy dolls. This is Lolo. He's a robot. This is my own mama.
And who's the other guy?
This is my dada.
And who's this?
My Julie.
Hey, can you show me where Lala is? Where do we keep Lala? Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Lala.
Lala.
See, it's charging right now. See how it's blinking here? It's flashing. It's charging. And this is the charging station.
What is this?
What?
What is this?
This is a brush. Okay, now let's find that Lala program. It should show you a map. Does it show you the map?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which room do you want to clean?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
That's the living room. Select a zone like that, confirm, and now you click on the living room like that, and now press that blue button on the bottom.
Start room cleaning.
Let me find a big strawberry for you. I hope one. And I don't have this one, and you can have this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know.
Daddy, come, let's play. Da-da, 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 da-da. What is this, baby? What's that? Tiny girl. Boat. Boat. Say boat. Say boat.
Boat.
Next, come. Domino.
Domino.
Choco. Hold on, my back is sorted. I take this out.
Yeah, you take that whole thing out like that. You take that, and I'll take the vacuum unit. We're gonna do some additional pet hair removal. Just take this whole thing out. Charging dock remains.
I got this for you.
You got that?
At this sound or not?
This? I don't think so. I don't think it's
Like
loud.
this. Okay, I will do that. Lift it over. Okay. I can have it like this.
I think it goes, wait. It goes like that. like that.
Okay, I'm going to.
Yes, and now you can clean up your sofa.
I know how to do it.
You just have to press a button here. Now you can vacuum with that thing. Yeah. And then you can clean this area here. Yeah. It has 3 stages. Okay, now it's on the most powerful. Good. Good.
Sometimes I want to lay down.
You need to take a break from all the vacuuming.
Yeah.
So you cleaned up the house with Lolo.
Lolo.
Okay. And also you cleaned away the hair from all your hairy pets, right?
These are my hairy pets.
Yeah. Good. And they leave a lot of hair, right?
Yeah. And Lala can vacuum out of the house because Lala is a good guy.
Lala is a good guy?
Yeah.
Is he a robot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he also vacuum. And he also a robot because that is his last name. And his first name is called a robot.
Oh, his first name is Robot. And his last name is Lolo?
Yeah.
Or his first name is Lolo?
Robot Joe.
Robot Joe?
Yeah.
I thought his name was Lolo.
But the first name is Robot Joe. And the first name is this robot. And the first name is Robot Joe.
Robot Joe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start auto empty dirt.
Did you know that if you don't want Lolo to go to an area of the house that you can just make it restricted? Did you know that? We can just tell Lolo, don't go there.
Don't go under a cable.
Yeah, these ones. We're telling him not to go here.
And it automatically won't go.
Last time you go under a table and I lost fell down, right?
Oh,
Last time.
Yeah. So now we learned.
What are you holding there?
A map.
Lolo has a mop function?
A map function.
Pretty cool, huh?
It looks like hot cocoa.
Like hot cocoa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Again, I bring you something to price. Penguin.
A penguin surprise. Julie, can you show me on the map where the penguin is from?
I can. I will get it. I got it. Yeah, they live here.
Where?
Here. Antarctica.
Arctica? Antarctica. That's where the penguins live.
A little bit zippy. Oh, oh, oh,
Oops.
oh. Too heavy. Oh.
Drama.
Doggy. Dougie. Doggy.
And what's the other guy?
My kitty cat.
Kitty cat?
Yeah.
But you also have a purple horse, right?
Yes.
That's a pony.
Oh,
It's a pony. You forgot. You forgot. I love you, doggy. You kitty.
All of the kitties crying?
At night time.